Well, I'm really excited about this opportunity as a fundraiser for, I think, a really important cause. And this event, it's till the end of June, so it runs through the end of June, where you have the opportunity to get your teeth whitened at a very affordable price, $99 for a professional teeth whitening. And that $99, 100% of it goes to charity. So we partnered with Esther and Second Chance Dog Rescue. I mean, who doesn't love dogs, right? Again, it's a very cool opportunity to get your teeth whitened and do a good cause. And
we're able to take dogs like Liz in, and any dogs that need severe, dental extractions or care by initiatives such as collaborating with Dr. Hornbrook's office for Oral Health Month.
Yeah.
It goes to the end of June, and all the proceeds, we collaborate 100% back to the pups. It's a win-win. You whiten your teeth, you help a dog whiten their teeth, and then, collaterally, it helps us find them the best home. So when we adopt our dogs, as a standard, we've fully vaccinated them with rabies, parvo, bordetella, all the standard package dog vaccinations. Anything above and beyond for medical expenses that we do see often with older dogs especially is they have grade 1 through 4 dental disease, which requires often extractions, cleanings, not to mention we also spay and neuter them. We pay for all that. So the $99 doesn't just go to help our dogs with only health issues. It's a general fund that we deposited into to help all our dogs to find the best home for them.